Hi there, Jane from Chaos here, and today we're gonna be dealing with client feedback. I'm talking about Chaos Cloud Collaboration, a tool that can take a little bit of your stress off and help you keep track of your project. I will take you through a bit of the review process we had on this project here, a nice house by our colleague Samir that we used for the Arc Design release video. So let's get a nice snapshot first of this view and save it as an image. Once it is ready, I'll open the Chaos Cloud Collaboration in a browser of my choice and navigate to a project folder I already created. From the Create New button, I'll go ahead and create a new review. This will be our review board, so let's go inside and check out the structure. It's pretty simple. The first thing I'm prompted to do is add or upload an image or video. So let's upload our render and I'll name it properly so it looks nice on the board. It is now in our to-do list, so I'll move it to the in progress and I can go ahead and submit it to review. But first, I want to add a comment as an artist to share how I'm thinking of improving the image and ask for opinion. I will add a suggestion about replacing the sofa with a poof here. We can see now the image has one comment. In order to get even more feedback, we need some approvers or reviewees, as we are now all alone in our review board. This we can do from the approvers menu. I'll go ahead and invite the 3D team. I'll set them as editors, but keep in mind that viewers can comment and approve items just as well. Editors simply have full control over the review, while viewers are limited to feedback and approvals. By clicking them in the members list, we send them to the approvers list, and now they'll be prompted to review and approve our works. Now I can drag and drop the image to the for review column, so the approvers know they need to take care of it. Let's get into the approvers' shoes now and see how our collaboration page looks like. We have the house review board here and we'll check it out. Oh, there is an item I need to review. Great. I'll open it up and oh, there is already someone who has commented on it. Let's check all the comments. Yeah. A poof will not be suitable, but Jane is kind of right here. We need a separate seating, so let's give him a reference what to replace the sofa with. Yeah, this chair, this is as clear as it can be. I saw, however, this woman walking out of our image, so can we just turn her around? And that's all. I'll return the image for changes, so Jane knows they have some more work on it. I think the reason is pretty clear. Okay, hi, Jane here again. Oh, my image is back to the in progress. Let's check what's going on in the notifications. A couple of comments I see. Oh, and there is a reference. I love references. Let's quickly go back to Enscape and fix those minor issues. Replacing with armchairs from Cosmos, fast and easy. Placing and rotating them around, rotating the girl, so she comes home to a nice garden, and I'm ready. Now, let's do a new snapshot and save it. I'll go back to the cloud, and if I click the three dots, I can choose to upload a new version of our image. I'll pick the new render and upload it. And we can see clearly we have a second version of our item here. I'll go ahead and open the image where I have the comments visible, and I'll check them out once more and mark them as resolved. A little self-assured, but yeah. The image is ready for a second review. Now back in the approver's shoes. Okay, let's see what we have here. I have forgotten what I did comment on here. Looks nice, but what changed? No active comments. Let's check the resolved. Aha, yeah, the armchairs. And the girl walking in. All good here, as far as I can see. However, let's praise our artists a bit and leave a few positive comments here, as they deserve it. I'll use the markup tools this time, as they can really specify what we're about. Rectangle or lines, but most of all I love the freehand drawing. It lets me be very specific and is quite easy to use. And I'll leave a little smiley face here for the hard work. I like the image as it is, and I can now move it to the approved column, so the artist know there is no more changes pending. Or I can drag it back to the in progress with no specific reason and show them what nightmares are made of. So, meanwhile, our skillful 3D artists have been working on an animation of this project and they want to show it off. So I, the 3D artist, now will upload the video to the same review board. We can see that this is a video by the small green rectangle with the timestamp on it. I'll move it to in progress and let's have a quick play. We can see all our review items below, by the way. So yeah, here we can add comments and suggestions the same way as we did on the image. So I'm not sure of that rock right in front of us. And I'll mark it and I'll submit it for review. So me as the approver now can check out the video and the comments. And yeah, let's keep the rock. Well, I see another issue I want to pay attention to further down the timeline. The comments from the image are not amended here. And even more, I can specify which time frame I want this comment to be about. I'll click the plus and drag the segment till the end. This is what is more specific about video commenting. We can see the time, place or time range in the blue bubble under the comment, which specifies where in the video the comment is about. So, return for changes and back to Jane. He can go through the comments and clicking them will take us to the timeline place of the comment. Those are all good. We'll fix them later in posts and we're done. The approver is happy. They'll mark up our video with a smiley face once again. Now, I want to show you another amazing collaboration method that has not been possible so far in any workflow that I know. Commenting right on the model. I will upload the model right out of Enscape from this button here, and I'll choose the project folder we already have. Once it is uploaded, I'll click Open in Cloud, and we can see it in the project folder, but not yet in the review board. I'll go in the review board and click on Add Files this time. We can see the model in the project, so let's choose it and add it to the review board. I'll move it to the in progress and open it. When I click play, once it loads, we have full control to roam around our scene in real time. We can go anywhere we want and look at any element we need to and comment on it. And again with the rock, let's suggest removing it once again. The comment bubble sticks on the rock and we can continue on to the windows area where I will suggest to add some furniture and lamps to brighten it up a bit on the inside. Again, we have all commenting tools available like adding reference images or marking and drawing. We can submit it to the review and we can see our approver look at the model right from their browser. No additional software needed. They can click on the comments and it will take them exactly to where they are supposed to be. Additionally, they can freely roam around and explore their project and the scene. And of course, approved is what we are after. I hope you got a glimpse of the whole process that will help you through your own projects and collaborate more effectively with your team and clients. Let me know which media will be most interesting and useful to you: image, video, or streaming. If you want to try it out, there should be a link below. And if you want to see more features like this, click on the video that should be somewhere around here or here.